Hi sweet friends, welcome back to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a simple fall floral arrangement that is very budget friendly. For this DIY you're going to need a vase, and I picked up this cute tin milk jug vase at Dollar General for $5 and green dots are on sale. You're also going to need some foam for your vase, and you're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow, and I'm tying a 3-loop bow. You're going to need some fall floral picks. Those three that kind of look like wheat, all three came from Hobby Lobby in the fall section when they were 40% off, and so did those two cute pumpkin picks, the fall decor section at Hobby Lobby. So I got 5 fall floral picks at Hobby Lobby, and then my other floral picks came from Dollar Tree. So I picked up one of the hydrangeas, and they come in different colors, then one of the metallic mini mums, and then one of the wheat, and those three came from Dollar Tree. And the little vase, the little milk jug, is for decorative purposes only, and it also comes in white. And so now I'm just hot gluing my foam into the bottom of my vase, and you can use whatever kind of vase that you would like for this DIY. Let your foam have time to dry. Now I'm taking my 3 Dollar Tree picks and I'm cutting them into shorter pieces. I am leaving the ones I purchased at Hobby Lobby whole. I'm not cutting them shorter, but I am trimming the 3 Dollar Tree ones into shorter pieces. The last one was just trying to be difficult for me. And so here's the little mini mums. I think they're really cute, so you're going to want to choose some different types of textures and colors and size flowers. And I just love the pretty pumpkin picks from Hobby Lobby. Make sure you remove the tags. I'm going to take the 3 wheat picks from Hobby Lobby, place them one in the center, and they're kind of hard to push into the foam, so just be careful. So one in the center, then one on the left side, and one on the right side. And my son, he was filming this for me, and he said, well, it's a little difficult to film this, Mom. They're so tall. This fall arrangement really is simple to make. So start out with the 3 wheat picks from Hobby Lobby. Then next go in with your 2 Hobby Lobby fall pumpkin picks to the front, one on the left and one on the right, and I left them whole, and just kind of fluff your flowers as you go. Then I am going to take the wheat pick from Dollar Tree and put it in the back center. Next, I'm taking the shorter pieces of the mini mums and placing one on the left, one on the right. Usually what I put on the left side, I try to put on the right side, or usually what I put on the front, I try to put on the back. But for this arrangement, I am making it where it only faces the front, so I'm not too worried about how the back looks. Now I'm placing one of the mini mums in the front center, and then I'm just kind of filling in around the front bottom with the mums, and we're going to put a pretty bow between those 2 pumpkin picks in just a minute. Next, I'm adding some of the Dollar Tree hydrangea picks, and this little vase was getting full, so it was kind of hard for me to find a spot to put them, but I wanted them in because I like the cluster of flowers. So one on the left and then one on the right. And just fluff and shape as you go, and if you don't like the way something looks, pull it out and try something else. I wasn't real happy with the way the wheatgrass looked from Hobby Lobby, so I did kind of fluff and spread it out and shape it a little bit more, and I like the way it looks right there spread out. So just take your time and be patient. Next, we're going to be adding a bow. I let out about a 5 or 6 inch tail, pinch it together. Now we're going to make a loop, pinch it together and hold it tight in your left hand. Now I'm going to go the other side, make another loop the same size as the first loop, hold it tight in my left hand, check to make sure your loops are the same size on each side. Now we're just going to make one more loop. So 2 loops on the left, 1 on the right. Try to make the loops the same size. Then I'm just letting out barely a little tail, and now I'm going to take a zip tie and wrap it nice and tight around the center of my bow, and we're going to be turning this bow the opposite direction of the way we normally add a bow. If you do not have a zip tie, then you could use some floral wire to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. Now I'm going to dovetail the long tail, so fold the tail in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side and cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the end. Then we're just going to fluff our loops, and I am going to do one loop right on top of the other loop. So 3 loops in a row. And then I'm going to take, I think it's called a floral pick. That doesn't sound right. Someone will have to tell me what it's called in the comment section, and I'm going to take the little wire that's on it and wrap it around it, and that way I can easily take the pick and stick it into the foam and attach my bow. I know someone's going to ask, where did you purchase this pretty leopard print ribbon? And I purchased it online at Craft Outlet. And here I'm taking that little pick, wrapping the wire around the center of my bow, and then just going to take the pick part, stick it into the foam. And these are so nice to have. I picked them up at Michael's. So I'm going in between the 2 pumpkin picks, just going to push that pick into the foam, then fluff my loops. And I did trim the tail a little bit shorter. But here it is, guys. You'll have to let me know what you think. And wasn't this easy to make? Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.